Welcome to J&J Auto Contest video of S5CE273. Today we have a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Finished in a beautiful black 41U with a tan interior. This girl has an 8.1 liter Vortec 496 cubic inch V8 Allison 1000 5-speed transmission, 373 gears. Let's get the mileage on it before I misspeak. Oh, come on, Cluster. Service the brake system. 131,840 miles. This girl was a work truck that got totaled. We bought it. We are 8.1 fans here because there's no replacement for displacement. 496 running good. It's literally barely broken in. These things go 400, 500, 600,000 miles in medium duty trucks without an issue. Here's this one here just doing its thing. Truck was previously wrecked and has a bunch of new GM parts on the front, so somebody's going to luck out with a really nice quality bumper, GM core support, new trans cooler, all sorts of good stuff. All right. Not a lot to see in here. It was used as a work truck. You'll have that on these bigger jobs. Automatic climate control works well. AC kicks in. I just heard it. Hell yeah, brother. Let's see what we got going on here. Transmission engages perfectly, as it should. Reverse as well. All sorts of good stuff there. We're going to let it run for a minute. Power extending mirrors, passenger side works. Driver side needs a little bit of love here. But as you guys can see, the passenger is working fine. Go ahead and test it out while we're talking about it. All works as it should. Guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Contest video of our 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Remember, kids, Bitcoin saves your wealth, Jesus saves your soul, and seatbelts save lives. Make sure you have all three. Thanks for watching.